Bang, bang, bam. Team, happy Wednesday. Thank you so much for joining Mr. Full Profit. As you guys could know, I'm not a good guitarist, but guess what? I play a little music because guess what? Mr. Full Profit predicted what exactly been happening in the market. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. I mentioned it before. If you look back on my past videos, I mentioned overall market is in a downturn. So that means that you should be going puts, go down with the market. Yes, some stocks are going up, but overall direction for weeks to go. Yes, I invested in American Airlines. I believe in Disney, but what I'm doing, I'm preparing myself. Could they still go lower? Of course. It's always to get cheaper and cheaper. So what we're going to be talking about today, excuse me here. As you guys can see, there's a lot of bad news that's been coming out. Bank of America announced that they're going to be closing about 20 stores, all right? And also, if you look at CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid, there is about 140 stores. They filing bankruptcy. Mortgage rate been the highest since 2000. So we going back 23 years back on the rate. Housing market is going to go. It's going to be an issue. The bank is going to start losing money. And guess what happened? It's going to be a lot of opportunities. So guess what? I'm not a financial advisor. Like and subscribe and share with your friends. And make sure that you press the like button on my YouTube channel. Of course, Mr. Full Profit. The opportunity will come. What I want you guys to do is that I want you to hold your money tight. Okay? Wait for opportunity. The market is just starting to go downturn. Okay? Downtrend. So be patient. There is no need to go up. Follow the trend. Follow the wave. Follow the direction of the market. So now let's get to business here. I'm going to go ahead and get you guys going, all right? With what I'm going to be talking about. As you guys can see here, we're going to go back to the graph here, all right? What I want to really show, I know you guys can see a little bit what's going on, right? Let me try to see if I can make it a little, okay, that's perfect. If you look at, this is the S&P 500, okay? This is the 1 year chart. Direction, this is my moving average, 20 moving average. Clearly, it's trying to fight. This is the downtrend position, all right? So now, it's trying to fight, but guess what ended up happening? Before it did that, and after that, it dropped. I'm going to show you clearly. Let me go ahead and show you on year to date what's happening. Closer, 6 months. There is no difference. The market is in a downturn overall. This is the S&P 500, the 500 company. Follow the trend. Look at the MACD. Perfectly is under. So that's a good sign that it might still be thinking. Again, be diligent. Do your homework. And now let's go to the Dow Jones on the other end. Again, team, I'm not making this thing up. Okay? Let's go ahead and look at the Dow Jones. Perfect example. They all follow the same pattern. All the companies. Everything is under the MACD. So now, okay, we already discussed that already. If you guys want to do more research, go ahead to Yahoo Finance, and you guys should be able to see everything like I mentioned before. All my news, I'm getting it from CNBC, Bloomberg, and Yahoo Finance. Now, let's go ahead and discuss a couple of things here when it comes to the market with our platform, TD Ameritrade, and also we're going to do some Webull recap, okay? So now, let me try to extend this closer so you guys can see it. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, this is my TD Ameritrade platform. Now, let's look at what's been happening in the health industry, okay? The health industry stock today. There was many opportunities. ARK went up about This is that's my 1 minute chart, and this is my weekly chart. All right. So now what we're gonna be doing here, let's look at this here. Okay. Let's look at what's happening here, because again, there is no reason why people here are checking this and saying, "Oh my God, I cannot make money." Even penny stock, you can make money. All right. Now let's look at one of the best trading stock for the day, CME, on a daily chart. Okay, it did a downturn under my moving average. It wants to look like it's gonna be doing an uptrend. All right, so we have to be careful. But me personally, I love to trade above the moving average. This is Chipotle. So far, that they're supposed to be coming with their earnings. Let's go ahead and check on the 26th. So that's gonna be next week. All right. So Netflix today did pretty good. Let's go ahead and check it. The pattern didn't show it. Okay. But one thing you want to do, this is the daily chart. Netflix, they did about $33 run after market, which is now for the day it was $10, right? But now if you go down to the 5 minutes, it kind of gives you a little idea what it could have done, right? Around that time. Look at it from 346 to 392. Right now, there is a $50 run on Netflix under the 5 minute chart. Now, I always say, how could you catch it? Can I catch it? Yes, 0 down to 1 minute. Look how tight the moving average are. But look at this. It's called divergence. It's called the divergence position. It showed that it was going to take off, right? No problem. Now, let's go ahead and check Tesla. Tesla had earnings today as well. Team, look at the difference between the MACD. Tesla was already below the zero line. I could have tell that it was going to take a trend, a downtrend. And look at the RSI as well. Can you guys see it? Help me here. Now, again, look at the difference here. And let's look at the difference with Netflix. Different direction. Okay, so now we covered that already. Those are little techniques I'm showing you as professional trader. That's what we do. Now, what I want to take you guys to my Reboot platform. Let me show you the beauty. This is where the fun starts here. I love my Reboot aftermarket trading, even pre-market. All right, let's go ahead. We went over that before. This is my Reboot platform that I'm using. All right. I'm gonna show you guys a quick technique. That's after hours. Look at pre-market today alone. TGL did a run under the 1 minute chart, right? Look, I'm going to make it simple. This is how easy it is to make money. Even the market was so red today. You could have made money pre-market, all right? So I don't like to hear that I could have made money. Surely, the stock right here is showing that it's 30 cents. I'm sorry. It was about 30 cents. If you look at the price here, it showed 32 cents, correct? Now look, let's just say that you had $1,000. What time? 7:19. At 7 o'clock this morning, you just missed an opportunity, all right? Everything is above my moving average. So everybody should know that now I always trade above my moving average. From 31 to 73, even if you had let it go, with the highest volume around 70, that's pure profit. You double your money, $1,000. What else do you need today, right? So I'm not gonna hold you guys too long. I'm gonna give you guys another one, SFT. Let's see what happened here. 10:17. That was yesterday. Today it didn't do nothing major. Okay. Now let's go back to aftermarket, which is after 4 a.m. After 4 p.m. I'm gonna shake you guys' world. Look at this. 56 cents, right? Around 602. Bam, bam. Tight squeeze for the traders that know exactly how to trade. And boom, 168. So you could have doubled your money in that one. You have another one. You could have made your money again. Small volume, of course. Nothing yet. 2,000. You buy here. Guess what? It start running. It start running for a little bit. And you dump it. You don't even have to hold it for too long. From 28 cents, you could have dumped it in this way and on a nice pullback and an uptrend. Double your money. So, team, explain to me, how is it impossible for you not to make money? Me personally, I stay quiet. I make money no matter what. I have options, I have currency, and I have early pre-market trade and after-market trade. So I just want to explain. Don't look at overall how someone is making money. It's how you trade. Now, again, if I say buy something, I expect for you to do your research. But when I say buy something, I look at the 1 minute chart. I know when to get in and when to get out. I want to make it clear. Not because Mr. Full Profit talk about a stock that you just jump in right away. Nah, you have to look at it. You have to understand what it means, what it's going to be doing. If early in the morning market it's in the red zone, you just got to wait for a pullback under the 1 minute. Take it from the bottom. Look at your MACD and RSI. When it double hit or triple hit, and you take your position and you make money. So I'm going to go ahead and close the chat tonight. Thank you again for joining Mr. Full Profit. Today is Wednesday, and it's about 8 o'clock. So let's go ahead and get that money. And tomorrow we'll be looking to make more profit. Thank you very much, and have a good night. Thank you.